Hello, my name is Nakia, and I'm with Divine Elements of Design in the Decorator's Voice. I'm a certified interior decorator, professional organizer, and planning and productivity strategist. If those are topics that you're interested in, please subscribe to this channel and bell notifications. So welcome to week 5 of the weekly Declutter challenge. For this week, we are going to declutter our bed linen. Yes, I'm sure you're like everyone else and you have tons of linen, whether it's pillowcases, pillows, fitted sheets, blankets, or even flat sheets. So for this week, we are going to declutter them. We're going to first start off by gathering all of our bed linen. It could be in a linen closet or even a drawer, but go ahead and take all these items out. Now you're going to separate them into light items. So put all of your sets together, whether it's your pillowcases, fitted sheets, and sheets. Now, while you're going through them, you're also going to determine if some items need to be properly disposed of or donated. So you only want to keep the things that are in good condition, and if you have items that are stained or have holes or rips or tears, those are the things that you can donate if you have enough to donate. So I'm not saying get rid of everything if you don't have enough, but if you have more than enough and you need to donate, those are going to be the ones that we're going to donate. Okay, so now since you've decided which items you're going to keep, I'm going to give you a few hacks on how you can store them. One hack is to use a pillowcase method. So basically this is storing like sets in a pillowcase, or actually a complete set in a pillowcase. So you would have your fitted sheet, your flat sheet, and also whatever pillowcases or even blankets, and you just put that all in a pillowcase, and then you can store it by the pillowcase. Hack 2 is to use shelf dividers. Yes, you can actually divide the items on your shelf with these dividers. That way you can keep light items together or complete set together. When you're getting ready to do your laundry and you're getting ready to rotate your linen, you can just take that one complete set off, wash the other ones, and then once it's done, put it back in that complete set. Hack 3 is to store your items vertically. So we've done this in the past with our towels, but you can also use this for your linen as well. That way you can actually see what everything is instead of it all being laid down flat on top of each other. Hack 4 is to use organizing bags. You can use the organizing bags, packing bags, even Ziploc bags, or the bag that the item came in. So you can use those to store your items in. You can just put them in your drawers or in your linen closet. Hack 5 is to label everything. You want to make sure that you have everything labeled. You don't want to take something out of the cabinet or out of the closet if you don't need to, especially if it's a folded sheet. You want to go ahead and make sure everything is labeled so you can know exactly what it is you're taking out. Hack 6 is to rotate your seasonal sheets. So I'm sure you may have sheets for the winter versus your sheets for the summer. So you can definitely rotate those and only have in your linen closet what you're going to use for that season, and then have the other items packed someplace else. Or if you only have one linen closet and only one place to have them, then maybe have those packed maybe on the bottom or the top. But make sure that the ones that you are utilizing should be easy to use and easy to reach. But I hope you can utilize these tips